Okay, so now we're going to take a look at messages and email on the Grid 10.
You can see how it falls and stuff, and then you have your different meals. You can see all your preview images of your attachments.
Oh, nice.
So if I just tap on that email, the email comes up. You have your stuff here, but the pictures you can swap. You can switch between the pictures right from the app itself.
Once they're downloaded.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. And they are downloaded when you pull the mail.
Oh, okay.
So, and if I wanted to just tap one of the emails and see the attachments directly, just tap on that. Just zooms the picture in. And lets you swipe through all your attachments within that mail.
And if you want to go back to the message, you swipe from the right again?
You can just do that to go back. So you have back and the hard bit basically.
So I noticed that you have Gmail, but also social media here. So
Yeah,
is
so
that like
click
a...
on Facebook, it'll give me all my Facebook messages. All my Facebook wall messages and stuff. Click on Twitter, it tells me all my Twitter messages, for example. So again, an integration of social, right, which we said is across the OS itself, not just in one area. What others do is you have it maybe in one app, maybe another app has it. It's not a system-wide thing. This is a system-wide thing.
Right.
And we have something called the grid view. Sorry, let me just click on that. Click on grid view. It's loading the messages. Again, you can see the whole dialog boxes are all different as well. And the grid view basically give you messages that are important to you in different sizes and stuff like that, in different colors, because you get so much mails and you get so many different type of messages that you don't know what's important and what's not. So the message center basically helps you decide that based on relationship, the number of times you reply to the person, and give it to you in a format that is highly distinguishable. Because you can see different colors, you can see different sizes. They all mean whether they are important or not important, for example.
So I guess the ones that are highlighted in like blue or
could be
ones that are important?
Yeah, in this case, the different highlights are different types of messages. So this is an email, this is a Twitter, this is a this is a Facebook, for example. But if you've been using the system for a while, you realize that one email will be smaller than the other because it's not as important, for example.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I mean by sizes and stuff.
Sure.
So that's a great view. So we've tried to innovate from every perspective. Going back, I just did that. And again, when you notice when I did that, it goes back, but the animation tells you that you're going behind. So this context, for example,
right,
where again you have this 3D tilt when you're scrolling. This gives you a 3D perspective. And if I click on one of the persons, so this person is a friend, and the picture from Facebook right here. And it also gives me all the last messages that I've been exchanging with the person, or the person I've been sending.
Right.
See how the pictures keep changing the background? Those are all the Facebook images. And I can do all this stuff with the person I can favorite. I can edit, for example.
Do you get to see like their latest updates then too?
Yeah,
Is that
that's
what you
right.
see?
That's right. Yeah. So and you can tap on that and you'll go to another place. So you see, when I just tap on this, you get the view of the different messages.
Neat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can just respond right from that
Right
box
from there.
then.
Yeah, exactly. That's right. So that's what I mean by everything's integrated and feels like a great experience together.
Great.
And then if I want to go back, you'll see animations like where you can see how it goes back, and then when I go back in the app, you find how that motion happens. And then you have let's just try calendar, for example. That gives me all the different events that I have.
So is there timing for Exchange support? Something that we're interested in.
We're not announcing it at the moment. But you can see this day view is very unique as well, where you have the time linked to it, and then you'll see like loads of it as an example, day view. Then you have the week view, and then you have the month view as well. So it's unique, and when GPS is turned on, you'll get the location information, the maps, and all that right there as an example.
Didn't you say that sometimes like if a meeting's around lunchtime, you might see like area restaurants or something like that?
So if I do that,
is that something that we can see or not yet?
you could. If let's say it's lunchtime, you can see that. Let me just do that. So you should be able to see it, like breakfast, for example. It's because it's breakfast time.
Right.
And I tap on that, it'll open up the GPS and then give me the maps. It tells me there's no internet connection. I got to get the GPS up and stuff.
Sure.
So it gives me an idea.
Does it use Bing for that, the maps? Or?
We have both Bing maps and we have our own grid map as well. So
okay.
Let me just get connection. Can you see how the dialog box comes up as well? That gives you an idea.
So you don't have to enter a settings menu
You don't have
to do that, right?
That's
Yeah,
right.
That's
the
good.
whole point. So,
Great.
and can you see networks available? Can you see a message that's appearing there? So the right hand side, the heartbeat will also give you notification messages like that to tell you.
Right.
Hey, can you see that it says Google clandestine IO error? So it's trying to sync because it's trying to pull information basically from Google.
Okay, great.